So here we have the BMW 225XE on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the right hand side we have the rev counter, left hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. Within the rev counter it will show you what gear this car is in. We're in park at the moment, this is an automatic of course. And in the centre at the bottom we have the total miles for this car. They are 26,512. You can change the information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy and battery information. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side stereo and phone controls. The main screen for the car is over in the centre just here. It's touchscreen as you can see. So you can access, for example, your satellite navigation. We've done a video showing how BMW SatNav works, which you can find on our website and also on our YouTube channel. Obviously it is touchscreen, but you can see that I'm now making movement without touching the screen, and I'm doing that using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The collection of buttons that surround it as well, but you can do everything from the dial and it's very easy to operate. So for example, radio media, rotate the dial, push the dial down to enter that menu where you'll see we got DAB, FM, AM radio, CD player. Bluetooth audios, you can stream your music wirelessly, and USB input as well. You can pair your phone under the communication heading, and of course, if you want to, you can access your satellite navigation using that dial or the touchscreen. Also up on there, if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will see a parking camera to go along with the parking sensors on this car. Working our way down, we then have the CD player. The main volume for the stereo is there as well, and the start and stop button for the car itself. Below that, we have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed, of course. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can hear and see it doing that now. Press the auto button again. You go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. Below that, we can turn the parking sensors on and off. We can put the car in Eco Pro, Sport or Comfort with this button just here. And we got our traction control we can turn on and off. We can also turn on the eDrive if the batteries have enough charge for the electric motors to work. And then you have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.